How to buy on Phantom Wallet. So if you want to buy any form of cryptocurrency within Phantom Wallet, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now what you have to do is just launch the Phantom Wallet app, and this is the type of interface that you will see. You want to make sure you've logged in and signed into your wallet or account. Now after you've done that, at the very top right you'll find the option that says buy in this dollars like icon. So tap on the buy option there. Now here you can simply select which cryptocurrency you'd like to buy. So there are many ranges to choose from. If you want to buy Solana, which is most popular one, you can simply select Solana and enter the amount for the amount of money that you'd like to buy. So if I want to buy Solana for $100, I'll get this much amount of Solana. If I want to buy for $1,000, I'll get that much amount. So based on what I want, after that I can simply select my payment method like credit or debit card, and it will also show you the providers that is going to process your payments. And you can also change this, by the way, to Google Pay or credit or debit card. Once you've done that, we're going to come back, tap the buy option right here, and then simply confirm with the payment information. Once you've confirmed with the payment method, then you'd have successfully bought crypto on Phantom Wallet. But it's going to take a couple of business days to process because we are using a third-party provider, which is MoonPay. So I hope that this video helped you guys. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.